Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to delete contact number in my keypad mobile. So friends, in your keypad mobile, how to delete contact number one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friends, you want to delete contact number and you want to add any contact number, you want to save number in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to save and delete contact number in Nokia keypad mobile. First of all guys, on your contact setting, friends, click your left button, add new number setting. We will select name. So friends, I will set your name, my friend name I will set here. Mukesh. Last name you want to add, so you can add. Last name you don't want to add, so you leave it. Number, example number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Again click the left button, save content, save contact number, select contact number will save in your Nokia keypad mobile, and you can check this number you want to call, so you can call. So like that way, you want to add any contact number, you want to save any contact number, so you can save number. Again click here left button, you can edit your number. Name you can change, last name you want to add, so you can add last name. So I will add here bro and I will add here bhai. Number you want to change, so you can change number. And friends, you want to add any photo on number, you want to add photo on contact number, click here add option, select photo will add on your number. Again click here save number, select number will save with photo Mukesh bhai. And you want to delete contact number, again click here delete. Do you want to delete this number? Yes, I want to delete this number. Okay, one contact number will delete in your Nokia mobile. Again click here friends, you can see left button, if you click here delete option, select, and you can select your number and you can delete number. Delete 3 number from your phone. Okay option. So like that friends, you can delete and you can add contact number in your Nokia keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to add number, name, last name, enter number, click here save contact number, number will save. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.